Are you tired of the tedious, time-consuming process of entering student marks and grades manually? Traditional methods can take up to 40 minutes just to input data for processing. With SIPSNITYA's latest feature, you can now complete this entire task in just 3 to 4 minutes. Let's explore how it works. First, define a clean timetable with minimum and maximum marks. By default, the system considers mark entry, but you can also enter grades for internal assessments. Define this clearly. Next, choose the active exams and see the current status of mark entry. Click on the Mark Entry button to view the student and subject list sorted by class roll number. Click on Export to get the Excel file structure for quick processing. Copy and paste the marks into this sheet. Then, copy all the data and paste it into SIPSNITYA's award-winning import interface. Just check the data and click Import. You'll get an excellent preview with feedback on any possible mistakes. Once everything looks good, click Mark Process. Your marks are now successfully recorded. Repeat the same steps for grades too. Witness the smart and simple user interface and the speed of the system. Experience the efficiency of SIPSNITYA's fast marks import process. Save time and ensure accuracy. For any assistance, please contact our support channel. Thank you for watching.